Yeah, hello guys. I'm gonna make dragon beard candy. This is Korea traditional sweet. This is main ingredient, honey block. Honey, a little sticky rice, mixing, boiling and fermented. Now it's too hard. Like a candy. Very, very hard. This is water. Put some water and make a circle shape. Make a circle shape. It's gonna be circle shape and bling bling. Like diamond bling bling. This is cornstarch, corn flour. Cover it corn flour and make a hole in the middle. Make a hole, make a hole. The other side, make a hole too. And stretching it little by little. Little by little, stretching. And I'm gonna make 16,000 honey strings. 16,000 honey strings in 1 minute. Now it's one honey string, double two, two double four, four double eight, doubles every time. 16, 32, 64, 128, 256, 512. This is middle size, 1024. Check this out. 1024 honey strings, like this. But not finished yet. Keep going. 2,000, 4,000, 8,000. 안녕하세요. 16,384 honey strings. 짜라란. And next step. Next stage. Follow me. Cutting honey. And shaking. Shaky. 안녕하세요. Put in 7 kind of mixed nuts and rolling like this. Finish. This is Korea traditional sweet. Thank you for watching. Shaking, put in mixed nuts and rolling.
고소한 거 좋아하시면 아몬드 괜찮고 달콤한 거는 땅콩이랑 아몬드랑 땅콩 하나. 목차가 뭐 표정이 있어요.
안녕하세요. 집에 하나 챙겨가세요. 집에 하나 챙겨가세요. 5,000원. 아이들이 좋아합니다. 안녕하세요. 카레다과 집에 하나 챙겨가세요. 만드는 거 구경하러 오세요.